Good morning, sir. I am Dr. Chakkarpani, Associate Professor in Management, Geetanjali Institute of Science and Technology, Nellore. Today, I am going to show you the central facilities of Geetanjali Institute of Science and Technology. Now, we are going to start with examination cell. Board. Pass it.
Hi sir, this is Sridhar, exam section in charge here. Now I am going to show the infrastructure. This is the confidential room, sir. So here the papers are going to be taken. And the Xerox machine is here. And this is my cabin, sir. Now this is the counter, exam fees counter. This is storeroom. That is also one storeroom.
Going to see the admission cell. Professor Dr. T.N. Kumar Garu, Director, A&A, Geetanjali Institute of Science and Technology.
Take up all admissions, including polytechnic, BTech, lateral entry.
We are visiting the medical cell. Weekly twice, doctor used to visit the college. Dr. K.N. Prasad Garu is our regular doctor. These are the facilities in the medical cell. The principal's chamber. This is the overview of the principal's chamber. Administrative officers chamber. Now we are visiting the outside of the campus. These are the parking spaces for our transportation facility. Here so many number of buses will be there. Daily pickupping and dropping activities is to taken by the college own transport only. This is the sports zone. So students used to be playing in this particular area. Next to, if you go towards the another angle, this is the boys hostel. Now that is belongs to the student gymnastic area. So sports and games, all materials used to be shared there. So we have a specialized gym for our students. Now we entered into the training placements and career guidance cell. This is belongs to the convener training placement and career guidance cell. Now Deputy Placement Officer Mr. K. Naveen.
Hi sir, this year we are having the placements of nearly 378 candidates, in which we have 60 internships.
Panel, interview panels and training placement staff cabins. Now we are going to enter into the innovation and entrepreneurship development cell. These are the facilities which we have in the innovative and entrepreneurship development cell.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Cell. So this cell takes care of activities both on innovation and also promoting the entrepreneurship through startup-based activities, and also the student active participation in hackathons gives the institution as a part taking part as the institution taking part in the IIC Institutions Innovation Council, and also some we are arranging the activities for the students through IIC and also the internal cell committees. Thank you.
We are going to enter into the Industry Institute Coordinating Cell of Geetanjali Institute of Science and Technology. Good afternoon, sir. I am Dr. Chakkarpani, HOD Industry Institute Coordination Cell. I used to take care of all Industry Institute workshops, skill development programs, industry visits, internships for the student industry interaction. This is the new, that means DZ hall. This is the DZ hall. Here, that is seminar hall 1. You can see here, this college is recognized by the IIT Bombay. So, remote center of IIT Bombay. So, RCID 1294 is our college code.
Start.
Now, we are entering into the NSS cell. So, as a part of the social responsibility, we used to take care of so many social responsibility activities. So, these are the activities which are belongs to the NSS. College is recognized as Chief Minister's Skill Excellence Center. So, we have blessed with 31 laptops by the Andhra Pradesh State Skill Development Corporation. This is the overview of the lab. Here we used to take care of a lot of activities which are belongs to the skill development. So this year we have organized a number of workshops, around 22 workshops from the skill development corporation. So machine learning, Android, Internet of Things, AWS, cloud computing. This is the new seminar hall. We can see the overview of the seminar hall.
చూపించాలిగా.
Generating power through the solar panels. This is the internal complaint cell.
On this.
What is open father? Right, we have a lift facility too. This belongs to the internal quality assurance IQAC cell. Now we are going to meet convener IQAC cell.
I'm Dr. Suresh, convener of IQAC. IQAC cell has been established in the year 2018. We do different auditings in the college to improve the quality.
This is belongs to the research and development cell. Right? So this is belongs to the inner side of the research and development R&D cell. These are the facilities. Here our college has necessarily Yantra, Embedded Systems and Robotics Lab. Yantra, Embedded Systems and Robotics Lab. Here also we have some of the infrastructure facilities.
Here student research is enhanced using the robotic kits and also the embedded systems.
HOD of Science and Humanities. This is Dr. B.M. Bishop, HOD of Science and Humanities. I am looking after all first BTech students. This is first BTech classroom. Hall notice board. And another notice board in the classroom. Physics lab, hall notice board. This is the notice board. Here we exhibited list of experiments, timetable, list of experiments. She is Revati, lab in charge for physics lab.
Hello sir, good afternoon. I am Dr. Revati. I am associate professor in this department, and this is the physics laboratory. Here we are doing the engineering and applied physics and engineering physics laboratory for first BTech students for first sem and the second sem. And these are the experiments what we are doing here. And this is the Hall effect. This
These are the course outcomes and list of experiments and additional experiments of environmental engineering lab, and these are the equipments with cost. These are the lab test apparatus. These are the fertility meter. These are units meter. This bio incubator. These are water bath. These are double distillation unit. This is the hot air unit. So these are the urine cats. These are the environmental engineering lab.
Surveying lab.
These are the equipments and survey engineering laboratory, and these are the course outcomes and list of the experiments and additional experiments. So coming to initial experiments of survey laboratory, we are using chain to measure length and plot the arrows. This is the dumpy level, and this is prismatic compass and survey compass, crash caps and head caps for safety. And coming to this, so this is dumpy levels and theodolites. So these are all are tripod stands and fixing the equipment. So this is flying table, and this is a tripod for auto level, and this is dumpy level and plane level for tripods. So this is the range index, two types. So one is 2 meters range and another one is 3 meters range. So straps and compass tripods, cross top folds and prism fold. So these are the major equipments used in survey engineering laboratory. So auto level, dumpy level, and prismatic compass, survey compass, and total station. So coming to benefits, measure the vertical and the horizontal distances. So measuring the RLs, angles. So reduce the levels, and coming to major equipment in survey engineering laboratory, all in one, like reduce the levels, anything.
This is Transportation Engineering Lab.
This is the impact testing machine to determine the impactive value of the aggregate, and this is the vibrator to compact the cement, and this is the accretion testing machine to determine the accretion value of the aggregate. And here you can see the list of experiments in transportation engineering lab. And this is the Los Angeles aberration to determine the aberration value of the aggregate. And here you can see the major equipment with cast. And this is the thickness gauge, and this is the elongation gauge. This is the softening point test, and this is the flash and foil point for the bitumen. And this is the penetration testing machine. These are the ISCs.
This is Concrete Technology Lab.
These are our list of experiments we are going to conduct in our laboratory. These are cylindrical knobs, and these are spherical knobs. So this is the slump cone apparatus to determine the workability of concrete, and this is the flow table apparatus to determine the workability of concrete, and this is 3D consistometer again to determine the workability of concrete. This is a compacting factor test to determine the workability of concrete. Here these are the list of equipment which are available in our laboratory, and this is compression testing measure to determine the strength of a concrete tube or cylinder, and so this is the VCAT apparatus to determine the normal consistency, initial setting time and final setting time, and so these are the ISCs. These are the calculate the grain size analysis.
This is Geotechnical Engineering Lab.
these are the list of experiments from the lab. And here you can see the list of major equipment costs with experiments. And this is oven. And this is CPR presentation. This is the seal shaker. And to determine the usage value, cohesion value for the soil is usage less, and the consolidation methods. And this is the direct shear test to determine the shear values for the soil.
This is engineering geology lab.
These are the experiments. These are these are the floors and faults. These are the minerals, street plates, and these are the rocks. These are the irrigation structure models.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Dr. T. Sunil Kumar, Professor and Head of the Department Mechanical Engineering. So, sir, it is the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Nayadama Block. Sir, it is HOD cabin, Department Office. So, HOD cabin. So, these are the Professional Society certificates. So it is NV002 Lecture Hall 4, second year mechanical classroom. So JNTU examinations are going on, sir. So it is NV003 Lecture Hall 5, third year mechanical classroom. NV004 Lecture Hall, final year classroom. Mechanical faculty rooms. Here we have Wi-Fi facility. It is department library. So this is meant for the department. These are the books.
This is Material Science and Metrology Lab, MB009. This is lab notice board. Here we can find lab occupancy chart, lab layout, lab cycle charts. This is a specimen mounting hydraulic press, which is operated as semi-automatic type. Here we are having 6 number of equipments. This is a dual disc polishing machine. This is a single disc polishing machine. We are having 2 number of components. This is a muffle furnace. After performing the component, we are here to see the microstructure of the specimen by using of these microscopes. We are having 2 monocular microscopes, 3 binocular microscopes, and a trinocular microscope. Totally we are having 6 number of microscopes. This is instrumentation part. This is a pressure gauge. This is a strain gauge. This is a linear variable differential transformer, LVDT. This is a capacitor transducer. This is a RTD transducer. This is JKT thermocouple transducer. This is speed pickup transducer. Both magnetic and photo pickup transducer will be available in this single equipment. This is a hot wear anemometer. And this is Jomini and quench test.
This is the manufacturing technology lab. Myself Anand.
I am the class in charge. I am the in charge for this manufacturing technology lab. This is the oil cooled arc welding machine. By using this, we have to perform to join two or more metals by using welding. After that, this is the tungsten welding machine. By using this tungsten welding machine, we have to perform the welding operation by joining two or more metals, different kinds of joints like T joint, butt joint and H joint, etc. This is the spot welding machine. By using this spot welding machine, we have to weld the two metals by using the pressure. After that, this is the gas welding machine. By using this gas welding machine, we have to weld the metals by using acetylene gas. After that, this is the foundry. By using this foundry, we have to produce different kinds of patterns by using this foundry. This is the permeability meter. By using this permeability meter, we have to test the permeability of the rammed sand. This is the sand rammer. By using this sand rammer, we have to ramming this sand for the foundry purpose. Universal sand strength machine. By using this universal sand testing machine, we have to find out the strength of the sand before we have to perform the foundry operation. This is the wood turning lathe machine. By using this wood turning lathe machine, we have to make different kinds of patterns for foundry purpose. This is the plastic injection molding. By using this plastic injection molding, we have to make caps, keychains, different kinds of bottles. By using this blow molding, we have to produce bottles and different kinds of plastic metals. Then this is the hydraulic press machine. By using this hydraulic press machine, we have to bend the metal or we have to straighten the metal. Thank you.
So this is fluid mechanics and hydraulic machines lab, and these are all hydraulic machines, and this is Pelton wheel, and this is impact of jet vanes, and this is multi-stage centrifugal pump, and this is single stage centrifugal pump, and this is reciprocating pump, and this is Bernoulli's theorem operators, this is V-notch operators, this is mouthpiece operators, and venturi meter, orifice meter operators, and this is the major loss through pipes, this is the minor loss through pipes, and this is turbine flow meter. Thank you, sir. My name is Ramu. I am Mission Tools Lab in charge, and this is the notice board of Mission Tools Lab. So here the Mission Tools Lab tools is displayed, and this is the tools display, and these are all the projects done by the students. These projects are relevant to the Mission Tools Lab, and this is the lathe machine 1 and lathe machine 2, lathe machine 3 and lathe machine 4, and this is the heavy duty lathe, and this is the bench grinding machine, and this is radial drilling machine, and this is the milling machine which is used to cut spur gears, and this is the cylindrical grinding machine, and this is the shaping machine, and this is slotting machine, and this is tool and cutter grinding machine, and this is the capstan lathe. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Good afternoon, sir. This is Dr. Srinivas Rao. So I am the thermal lab in charge here, sir, in Geetanjali Institute of Science and Technology. This is the notice board pertaining to thermal lab here, sir. So we have various equipment here, so to conduct the experiments fulfilling the J2 curriculum. So now we are at 4-stroke diesel engine test rig, so on which we will be conducting performance test. So this is a rope type dynamometer we have on this. So next is we have twin cylinder diesel engine. So again we will be conducting the performance test as well as even heat balance test also we will be doing on the same engine, twin cylinder diesel engine. So next we have this 4-cylinder petrol engine, 4-cylinder 4-stroke petrol engine test rig we have. So on this we will be doing most tests also will be conducted on this, along with here we have eddy current dynamometer here, sir. So next we have here 2-stroke single cylinder petrol engine test rig, so with mechanical loading. So that is where we are again doing the performance test on this. So next is we have variable compression ratio test rig we have. Variable compression ratio petrol engine test rig we have with electrical loading. So with the variation of compression ratio, again we will be performing the test on this. So next we have here so the air compressor we have. So performance of, so this is twin cylinder, so reciprocating air compressor we have here test rig, so on which we will be performing. So this is volumetric efficiency is calculated, adiabatic efficiency is calculated. So that is what we will be doing here, sir. So we also have various types of working models, boiler working models like Lancashire boiler, Babcock and Wilcox boiler is there. So either to show it in the class as well as so for demonstration purpose in the thermal lab. So we have here. Again we have this Cochrane boiler is also there, another working model here. So that is there. And we also will be doing as a part of regular thermal engineering lab. So we will be drawing the volute time diagram for a 4-stroke.
Okay, this is CAD/CAM lab, room number VB105. Here we are having the setup of CNC machine. Here this is M-Tab and XL10 CNC machine. Here we are having. This is the setup. Okay, and we are having the CAD lab here. That is VB106. In the CAD lab we are having total number of 35 systems we are having, and in our computers we are having Windows 10 operating system and various softwares we are having. Those are AutoCAD 2018, StatPro V8i, ANSYS 14.5. Okay, this is the setup of CAD lab.
It is engineering workshop laboratory. So these are the different equipments available in the laboratory. List of equipment under safety guidelines. And this is the carpentry section. Carpentry. So these are the different types of carpentry and fitting tools. So these are the different models we developed in our laboratory. It is the fitting zone. So here there is assembly and disassembly of bicycle. It is the electrical wiring section. So it is the tinsmithy zone. It is project lab. So here there is a different types of models. Fabrication of Geneva wheel, modeling and fabrication of vertical axis wind turbine. This is 3D printer and 3 computer facilities. So these are the different student models. Seed soaking machine, solar seed soaking machine, vertical axis turbine, underwater power generation. So it is the another facility in the lab, that is a wear testing machine, and there is a one welding equipment. So these are the some of the project students. Click and place robot, drone and a robot and tools.
Welcome to Heat Transfer Lab, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Geethanjali Institute of Science and Technology. This is Heat Transfer Lab notice board. The total capacity for the lab 35 students per each batch for each session. Here these are the list of experiments and additional experiments and outcomes, the course outcomes related to heat transfer lab. This one is name of the equipments, which are major equipments in the laboratory. So this is the heat transfer through pin fin apparatus test rig. This is heat transfer in forced convection apparatus. This is a heat transfer in natural convection apparatus. This is unsteady state heat transfer apparatus. This is heat transfer through lagged pipe apparatus. This is heat transfer through composite wall apparatus. This is thermal conductivity of insulating powder apparatus. This is a vapor absorption reflection tutor. This is a mini air conditioning tutor. This is a vapor compression refrigeration system. This is a condensation in drop wise, film wise form apparatus. This is a parallel flow, counter flow heat exchanger. This is a Stephen Boltzmann apparatus. This is a emissivity measurement apparatus. This is a critical heat flux apparatus. In the heat transfer laboratory, we have total 12 experimental setups. These are the list of experiments